The newly launched Carbon Tec HHO machine from Sykes-Pickavant promises to restore engine efficiency, lower emissions and aid DPF regeneration, answering garage calls for a profit-generating carbon cleaner machine that's portable and easy to use, according to Shane Emmingham of Sykes-Pickavant.
A lot of people within the aftermarket are seeing issues with the induction side of it, with the carbon build-up and the film, etc, etc. So what we've introduced here is a machine which is very simple to run, that comes with a guarantee and gives you a very good result from it.
Philip Bowes, owner of Bowes Motors in Rotherham, has been running the machine in his workshop for the last 6 months, and while sceptical at first, he told us that the results speak for themselves.
I had the demo one for a month, tried it on a lot of customers. Everybody, without fail, come back and were happy to pay for the product. So that just made the decision for me. It's just a very worthwhile product. Like I say, you can't argue with results. I'm a sceptical person to start with, but the results I've seen, you just can't argue with. Just give it a try if you're unsure.
Keen to demonstrate the machine's capabilities, Philip tested the emissions in his workshop van before giving it the oxyhydrogen service. Emissions reading prior to the service showed a value of 1.99, and a second test following the service saw the figure come down to 1.3.
Where the inductor breather is, all we will do for best results after the map sensor is to unlock the lock on it, is to feed the hose through, nip it back up as best we can without nipping or kinking the pipe, hook it to the battery of the Vertel, turn on the engine and away you go. What you will gain from that Vertel are more miles per gallon, a smoother, faster forming Vertel, emissions drop, black smoke's disappearance. We've also had reports of flat spots and misfires disappearance as well.
I've had no negative responses. Everyone who's paid for it has rung me back and commented on how they can feel a difference. Even when we've done nothing else, no service or anything, just purely done the hydrogen service, they can tell a difference. So it's nice to know that that's purely doing its job. I'd give it a 5 out of 5. Price, quality of the product, the backup you've got with Sykes, and the results, you can't argue with results. Even I were a bit sceptical myself because it's like magic almost, but it definitely works.
I think Philip's promoted it very well. He's the first to jump on board it around here, so he's got a little bit of a niche market, and from back of that he's got a clientele where he's got certain taxi drivers that come in here. He's also done a lot in the past of the fluids, and he's come away from that now onto this, and he's seen good results and profit margins from it.
For further information, go to Sykes-Pickavant.com or call 01543 679 900.